Hello guys, what's up, and welcome back to another Singapore travel vlog. So by the way guys, we are now here sa Vivo City. So I guess may idea na kayo. And dito guys sa Vivo City, kung may mga kaibigan kayong gusto magpa-Vivo, dalhin nyo dito. Shut up. So anyway guys, for today's video, we are going to Universal Studios Singapore. And right here sa Vivo City, aakyatin natin hanggang doon sa taas. And we are going to ride the Sentosa Express going to Universal Studios. And I guess guys, this will be an ultimate guide for you if you are planning to go to Universal Studios. From here sa Vivo City, i-guide ko kayo or i-walk through ko kayo kung ano yung mga dapat yung gawin. And also, we are going to talk about the details na rin ng mga ticket na pinurchase natin sa Klook. Alam niyo naman, kaibigan na natin si Klook, BFF natin si Klook. Alright, so level 3 for the monorail ng Sentosa Express. By the way guys, this is the only train going to Sentosa Island kung nasan yung Universal Studios at iba pang attractions na pinagmamalaki ng Singapore. You have the options naman to take the MRT, bus, taxi, or Grab to go here sa Vivo City para ma-experience nyo na rin yung Sentosa Express. You can also purchase your ticket here sa Sentosa ticketing booth. If you have yung GCash card or you have the MasterCard or debit card, you can just tap yung mga card nyo dito and you don't need to line up. So I'm gonna be using my GCash, yeah. And let's top it out. So GCash is working. Para hindi na kayo pumila kasi may mga days talaga dito guys na bongga yung pila. Okay, so this is the monorail and hintay lang tayo dito ng train. So guys, we are now here sa labas pa lang. And by the way, kapag sasakay kayo ng mga transportation services dito, like yung train kanina, make sure na you don't push the emergency button kasi meron kanina na press ata ng bata. So nag-a-alarm siya habang nasa biyahe. Ayun. Make sure na lang huwag kayong pasaway, lalo na kung may mga bata kayong kasama, para naman wala kayong maging problema. Nag-CR muna tayo. By the way, merong toilet dito bago kayo pumasok sa mismong theme park. And then, share ko na lang din, since yung GCash card natin nakalink sa mobile number, nagpapadala siya ng parang resibo through SMS. So yung Sentosa Express guys ay amounting to 172 pesos and 36 centavos. O, diba? Guide kong guide. Siyempre pag nandito kayo, just follow the signs going to the entrance. Ang problema na kasi sa atin guys, wala tayong kasama na pwedeng mag-picture sa atin. So, puro DIY tayo and puro video na lang din. Ang init guys. Sabi sa weather, ano daw, medyo makulimlim. Grabe ang init dito. Okay. So, dating gawin tayo, libutin natin itong globe na to. O diba? Ito, pakita ko sa inyo ha. Dito pa lang tayo sa labas, yung sa May Globe, may mga lockers na dito. Check natin kung magkano. Tapos may mga ano dito, booth, kiosk pala for tickets. Eh, ang binili natin is through Klook, diba? So check natin kung saan natin papapalit. And ito yung mga locker. Ayan. Tapos dito pa sa kabilang side, rent locker. Small, magkano? Small guys, $15 for the whole day na. Tapos 4 hours, $12. Large naman, 4 hours, $24. And then 1 day, $30. Tapos extra large naman, 2 hours lang guys, $14, $26. And then 1 day, $35. Pwede kayong magdala ng luggage ninyo kung gusto nyo dumiretso right from the airport going here. Ayan, may options kayo. And then mamimili yan kung saan nyo ilalagay yung inyong mga bags. May backpack tayong dala, kaya magre-rent tayo ng locker. Siyempre, dala ko yung ating small bag. Ang init guys! Okay, so we are done with the locker. And in fairness guys, yung backpack ninyo, kasya na sa small. O diba? For $15, 24 hours na yun guys, kasi $14 for 4 hours. Sayang naman, para hindi tayo nagmamadali dito. And we are planning to stay here the whole day guys. So yung locker, medyo pricey nga lang. So that's 646 pesos and 35 centavos. Yung conversion niya. Hello, where can I exchange this ticket for express and then admission?
Yeah, so this one is your ticket already.
Oh, okay.
Do a screenshot. Yeah.
And this one?
This one is express. This one is means when you go to the rides.
Okay.
You can.
Where can I exchange it?
No need.
Oh, no need. Okay.
No need.
Just proceed there.
Yeah.
Alright, thank you. Okay guys, so bigyan ko kayo ng idea. Yung ticket natin dito sa Universal Studio, it's for the admission and only rides na yon, amounting to 3,228 pesos and 20 cents. And then, may mga araw kasi dito guys na tinatawag sila mga peak days talaga, like especially kung holidays and weekends. So I would suggest na kapag mga ganung araw kayo pupunta dito, you can purchase yung Universal Studios Express Pass, and that will give you the privilege to parang VIP. Hindi na kayo pipila sa regular line, but let's check kung magiging sulit ba siya once we are done here sa ating Universal Studios Singapore experience. Take note na lang na mas mahal siya of course compared dun sa mismong admission ticket lang. And nakuha natin yung express natin amounting to 4,455 pesos and 20 cents. But again, makaka-discount pa kayo if you're gonna be using my promo code sa Klook, Mark Paragas Klook, for up to 5 times use siya per user or per account. Okay? By the way, kapag may mga voucher na kayo sa Klook, screenshot nyo na lang yung mga QR code and no need to parang redeem yung pinaka-ticket. Ito na mismo yung magiging ticket nyo going sa loob. And then yung inyong Universal Express Pass, screenshot nyo na lang kasi every time na pupunta kayo sa mga rides, papakita nyo siya. And again guys, yung mismong Universal Express does not include the admission sa theme park. So you need to buy or purchase a separate ticket on top of the express na bibili ninyo. Let's go. And I have Universal Express too.
So for the express ticket, we use inside.
Okay, every rides.
Select the ride, sir.
Okay. Thank you. So guys, first tip, once you get here, you need to download the Universal Studios app. I think available siya sa iOS and Android devices. You can see all the time na mga shows nila dito, na mga rides, mga waiting time na mga rides, and other information about this theme park. So, syempre nakapag-download tayo nun, and I just want to let you know na lang din since nandito tayo. So, this Universal Studios theme park, guys, has like parang guide or areas for rides, mga shows, mga meet and greets, mga shopping, and for dining. So, meron doon parang meet and greet ng Minions. Let's go! just do some video and then picture. Yeah, same. Yellow. Yeah.
Selfie!
So again, kapag nag-download kayo ng application ng Universal Studios, malalaman nyo yung mga type ng mga meet and greet, time ng mga rides, and time ng mga shows, and also kung saan yung mga nearest toilet, mga restaurant, and so on. So very helpful siya guys, kaya download nyo na. So first natin, nakapagano tayo, meet and greet sa mga minions. So by the way guys, maliit lang naman tong Universal Studios, kaya malilibot nyo siya siguro. Unlike sa mga Disneyland, sobrang lawak. Ito kaya nyo malibot ng mga half day. Next guys is the Sesame Street Spaghetti Space Shakes. So check natin. Guys, pambata to don't expect too much like thrill rides.
Super Saiyan, let's go to space and bring back that spaghetti!
You call that a station?
Annie, hang on first! Good luck!
Masyadong guys, pambata. 5 out of 10. Magugustuhan ng mga anak ninyo. Is ano ba tawag dito? So ang maganda pala guys sa Universal Studios na app, kahit patayin yung internet niyo para hindi sayang sa battery. So first show natin yung Lights Camera Action, hosted by Steven Spielberg. Let's go.
Here we go. Lock it up on the bell. Roll playback, cue ready. And action. This is the emergency broadcast system. Category 4 hurricane is sustained winds of 125 miles an hour. It's making landfall in New York. Plans really hope there are no people nearby.
guys. Ang sarap maging bata. Alright, on to our next stop. Guys, may explain lang ako So napansin niyo yan, may Universal Express, dyan tayo pipila, may single riders at saka may attractions entrance. Yung single riders guys is good for ano lang, yung mga soloista. So meaning, pwede kayo pumila dyan, yung pangpuno lang sa inyo. Kunwari yung mismong ride is kulang ng isa or kulang ng dalawa. Parang ano siya, chance passenger guys. So meaning, you don't need to get the Universal Express kasi may mga single riders line dito para sa inyo. Kung mga soloista lang kayo. Tapos itong attraction entrance is yung mismong regular entrance. Next ride natin guys is yung Transformers The Ride, the ultimate 3D battle. Ah! Charot lang.
But the future of both our species will be deserved. Megatron. Reverse thrusters.
10 out of 10. Sumakit ang ulo ko. Grabe yung rides. Though hindi lang siya hindi lang allowed guys magano video sa loob, pero amazing. Dito, may meet and greet ulit dito guys. Cybertron ata. Hindi ko bisado. Pero syempre check natin. Voices of Cybertron. Here, ayun yung pinto. Less than 5 minutes. Guys, si Optimus Prime pala.
Ready. T-minus 5 seconds. Optimus Prime is in position. Go for alternate mode.
Autobots, roll out! People of Earth, I am Optimus Prime, leader of the Autobots. We have received word that Megatron seeks the Allspark so he can gain control of your world. I am here to ask you all to stand with me today. The time has arrived to step forth to join me, Optimus Prime. Thank you, soldier. Until next time.
O diba? Yun lang yun.
I've got your back.
Guys, try natin itong accelerator. And guys, yung pila sa likod ng mga regular passes. Tapos mag-isa lang ako dito sa Express. So yun, ganun yung advantage nyo guys kapag nandito kayo, especially kapag mga Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, tapos public holidays. Nako, sobrang dami. Alright, fasten your seatbelt. Favorite color, yellow. Let's go.
Oscillating has begun. Vertical axis for 25%. Rotation of the beams set 7. Up to 50%. Stand by for initial. Acceleration insufficient. Velocity.
Nakakahilaw!
Centrifugal acceleration insufficient. Congratulations.
Yung tsanena natin. Para ako masusuka. Accelerator guys. 7 out of 10. CR muna tayo. Wait lang. Yung tiyan natin medyo umiikot. Oy. Guys, cyclone closed today. And I think yung human, itong pinaka roller coaster nila, sad to say, but it's closed today. So guys, if ever titingin kayo sa application, sa mismong Universal Studios app, if ever yung mga rides hindi nyo makita, ibig sabihin, close siya. Katulad nung itong human at saka yung cyclone, wala siya dito sa app ng Universal Studios, so meaning, sarado. Pambawi na lang natin yung Revenge of the Mummy. Yan guys, may meet and greet ng 12:45 and sakto 12:45 na. Check muna natin yung meet and greet kung saan. So by the way, itong Revenge of the Mummy, meron siyang locker guys. Yung mga bags ninyo at mga phones, pwedeng ilagay dyan. Magkabila ang dulo. And dito rin sa Revenge of the Mummy, meron din silang line for single riders. Revenge of the Mummy. Ito, may lockers dito. Hindi ko lang alam guys kung saan yung meet and greet. Is this a line? How about this? Locker. Alright guys, so hindi allowed ang bags and also yung camera inside. So magla-locker tayo. Grabe guys, did you know na bago ako pumunta dito, tumingin muna ako ng weather. Grabe, sa weather guys, sabi maulan. Dahil sa pawis ko, parang umulan. Grabing init guys. Buti na lang, as always, meron tayong dalang extra shirt kasi may pupuntahan tayo right after this. Alright, so wala yung meet and greet. Let's have a 360 view.
A few moments later.
Guys, Revenge of the Mummy, 1 million over 10. Sobrang nakaka-trio. Sobrang ganda. Buti na lang, okay na to, open na to. Kasi yung cyclone at saka yung diba, human, hindi siya open. Oh my god, wait. May meet and greet nga dito. Doon tayo sa mga syempre, meet and greet. That's the line. Alright, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Selfie. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you po. Kasi may mga diba? Mga otoko. Basta pag may mga otoko tapos naka-topless, go. Alright, so let's check the map kung nasa na tayo. And by the way, again, para hindi ba drain agad yung mga cellphone ninyo, you can use the Universal Studios app offline. Meron dito guys, Jurassic Park. Medyo mababasa kasi nakita ko siya sa mga vlog. And this one is Treasure Hunters. Wala ata siyang ano, parang Universal Express. And waiting time guys is 40 minutes. Do you have line for Express? It's just a regular
this one is
standard
for kiddie ride.
Ah, okay,
Yeah,
okay.
So this one is no Express.
Alright, thank you. So itong Treasure Hunters is more on kids, kaya wala siyang Express. So next guys is yung Jurassic Park Rapids Adventure. Mababasa tayo dyan guys. Yung pampalit natin eh hindi para dyan kasi buo yata. Buong katawan mo mababasa talaga. So try natin yan guys. Canopy Flyer. Let's go. Ito guys yung Rapids Adventure. Tapos meron ditong Dinosaurin. Ayun. And then Canopy Canopy Flyer tayo. Pambata. Ang haba ng pila guys sa Canopy Flyer. Tapos single ride at saka ano lang, attraction entrance, wala siyang express pass. Tapos ang waiting time guys is 40 minutes. There's no express pass? No. Ganda sana to guys, yung Canopy Flyer. Ano sana, kapalit ng human at saka cyclone na close. Pero 40 minutes yung waiting time. Apat lang kasi per ride, kasi apat na tao per ride, kaya medyo ano nga siya, medyo matagal yung waiting time. Time check, it is 1:07 pa lang. Maaga pa. Actually guys, malilibot na nga natin to. Dumating tayo dito mga 11 AM. So 12:01, nakakadalawang oras pa lang tayo. Almost patapos na tayo. Sabihin natin ano, 75% na tayo. Syempre kung nandito kayo, spend like half day kung gusto niyo. Tapos kung gusto niyo nga matry yung Canopy Flyer, go for it. Check pa natin kung ano pa yung pwede natin ano, masakyan. Meron pang Puss in Boots, merong Shrek 4D Adventure, tsaka Enchanted Airways. Okay, so marami pa. There. Enjoy! So guys, dito may nagtatawag si Kuya. This is a Water World show. Ayan.
Hi, Douglas.
Mariner. Bring me the girl. Shoot him! Holiday, I say you can leave before the party was. Hey, the man is right here. I can see that I only have one eye. The girl's getting away.
Are you all right?
Get a flounder. Weapon! I need a weapon!
How about this?
It's just you and me now, Mariner. Man versus fish. Why is he still alive? I want to get Bertha. Why don't you do us all? Stand still. to me.
Hey, DJ!
Hey, what?
Guys, Water World Show. Maganda. 10 out of 10. Yung Water World, I think ano yan, mga 1990s na pinalabas. Napanood ko pa yan. Ganun na tayo katanda. Alright. Ang kulit guys nitong ano, offline map ng Universal Studios. Makikita nyo kung saan kayo naglalakad talaga. Welcome to Far, Far Away. One? Yeah. Thank you. So guys, if you're here, make sure to keep hydrated kasi sobrang init talaga.
There should be enough wind to get you flying.
Salud! Cheers!
A big goose, and she thinks we're taking her babies. Your baby is safe.
Okay siya guys. 9 out of 10.
The daggum danger! Pink again! Ay, ay, ay! The black card of shadows! And now for the third card! Yes, I know, there's only... Meow! Ah!
Did somebody say duel? Because Kitty is ready for action. Pray for mercy from Bulls in Threats.
What ride is this?
This is a 4D show.
Ah, okay.
There's only one for you?
Yeah, this one. Thank you. I think guys, this is a 4D show. So check natin sa offline app, Shrek 4D Adventure.
Jack, who needs a map when you got animal instinct?
Think of my life.
Oh, let me guess.
Just
overwhelmed by love.
No, I mean.
Are you crazy?
Jiminy! That's a big one.
Hey, man, I hate spiders.
Sorry, princess. Honeymoon's over.
Look at your donkey, I'm covered in fat. I love you.
Shucks. Oh, I think I'm gonna cry. Come on, baby, let's go home. Let's go home and make some waffles. Have I told you lately that I love you?
Waffles.
It's a long story.
Finally, we're alone.
Tengo later.
Thank you.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, 8 out of 10. Pambata, pwede na. Hindi lang siya ganun ka-extreme. Pero okay pa rin. Ha! Grabing init guys, oh! As in! So, where are we going next? Actually guys, doon, merong ginagawang bagong parang attraction, Despicable Me. Nakita ko, pag nag-ride kayo dito, makikita nyo siya. Ayun oh. Puntahan natin. And actually ito na yun, paikot lang siya, kaya wala kayong choice kundi malilibot nyo talaga yung buong theme park. Ayun yung treasure hunter pambata. Ito na siya. Okay. Sarado. Wait. Dead end pala ang pote, kaya pala no, yung mga tao pabalik. Actually guys, maganda sana dito kung hindi lang mainit. May enjoy nyo talaga. And yun nga lang, mainit, tapos yung mga rides, di ba, nakakahilo. So alam nyo na. Ano lang, if nandito kayo, expect the unexpected. Huwag nila kayo mag-expect na talagang chill lang yung mga rides nyo dito. Wait, pakita ko sa inyo.
See you later.
That's right, boy.
That's on fire. And it is a big goodbye from all of us. Goodbye. See you later. Hey, get your back to your sisters. That's an excuse. Blue.
Alright guys, so that's really it. I think nalibot na natin siya. Yung pinaka dead end kanina, yun na yun. Tapos may ginagawa ulit, newest attraction here, yung Despicable Me. I'm not sure kung kailan ang open. So ang mangyayari, kung saan yung dinaanan nyo, same way lang din, babalik kayo. Alright, so hindi tayo kakain dito guys ha, kasi medyo mahal dito. Alam niyo naman, pag mga nasa loob ng theme park, OA ang price. Parang sa Disneyland Hong Kong lang tayo, di ba? Ocean Park. By the way guys, just to set your expectation, here sa loob ng Universal Studios Singapore, they have a total of 13 rides, 6 shows, and then 12 meet and greets. That's why I'm suggesting guys, it is a must to download the Universal Studios application para you know yung mga wait time, kung anong oras, yung mga meet and greet and mga shows, and also yung mga rides na close para hindi naman kayo ma-disappoint. So anyway, review na lang tayo. If you're gonna ask me kung sulit ba yung Universal Studios na admission, yes, it is worth it. Okay naman, and maganda yung mga rides. But if you are planning to get the Universal Express, for me, right now sa experience natin, hindi siya worth it. Kasi yung mismo ito, yan, yung Cyclone, Newman, those rides were closed. Nag-advance booking kasi tayo ng Universal Pass. So hindi natin sure talaga na sa day mismo na pupunta tayo dito is kung open or close. Sulit sana siya kasi you can skip the line, yung regular line, and may mga rides din dito guys na may parang single rider. So ibig sabihin para kayong mga chance passenger sa rides, lalo na kung soloista kayo. You don't need the express guys. Yung best day to go here guys, tip ko lang is Monday and Tuesday, and then from Wednesday to Thursday, Friday, 50-50 kung magpa-purchase kayo ng pass. But during weekends and holidays, I would suggest to purchase an express pass or yung universal pass para you can skip the line ng regular pass or regular lane. Mas susulit nyo. So, bigyan ko rin kayo ng information about this theme park. Siyempre, base lahat yan sa app. So, kaya download nyo talaga. So, anyway, this Universal Studios, guys, ay open from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. So, I guess, based dun sa na-experience natin, since nalibot naman natin lahat, wait lang. So based naman sa na-experience natin, kaya siya ng mga half day. So dumating tayo dito ng para mga 11 a.m. Tapos currently it's 2:30. Walang kain yun guys ha. So more on rides, show, and meet and greets. Pero pagkakain kayo, maraming restaurant dito, maraming shopping areas. Kung gusto nyo ng mga souvenirs and mga collections, nasa sa inyo na yon. And overall guys, for the rides itself, yung theme park, worth it, yung mga rides. And then yung express lang yung hindi masyadong sulit. Kasi nga ano, parang pwede naman siya kahit pumila ka kasi medyo patay yung patay na araw ngayon. Ayan, nag-uwian na rin sila. And this is the exit. I hope na-enjoy nyo yung ating mga pinagagawa dito sa loob ng theme park. And punta lang kayo dito, sulitin nyo. May Kung Fu Panda dito. Si Tigress.
You guys want to take a photo?
Yeah?
Thank you.
Yep, please. Thank you. I'll do selfie Tigress. Hey! Thank you. Ayan, di ba? Nakapagano pa tayo, meet and greet kay Tigress ng Kung Fu Panda. I would suggest din guys na kapag pupunta kayo dito tapos mamimili kayo, libutin nyo muna yung buong theme park. Tapos pagtapos na kayo lahat, doon kayo kumain at doon din kayo mag-shopping para naman kung ano man yung mabili nyo, hindi nyo bit-bet kung saan ba kayo pupunta. Meron ditong Starbucks. Ito na guys yung exit. And finally, we are back here sa exit. Itong Universal Studio guys, kung gusto nyo lang siya ma-experience, pwede na yung once pag nandito kayo sa Singapore. Pag may mga bata kayong kasama guys, ma-enjoy naman nila in fairness. Alright, so I guess that's it. Thank you so much sa pagsama sa akin guys dito sa ating Universal Studio Singapore experience. And again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Mark Paragas Official, and hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga upcoming travel vlogs pa natin, especially here in Singapore. So paano ba yan? Enjoy life and follow me as we discover the world one step at a time. See you guys on my next Singapore travel vlog. Mwah mwah. Chup chup. Mwah.